Is your Canon camera not making its usual beep for focus or the timer? This often happens when the beep setting is turned off or muted in the camera menu. In this video, I'll walk you through how to restore the beep sound on your Canon camera. Let's get that beep back right now. Solution 1. Check the beep settings. First, turn on your Canon camera, then press the menu button. Now select beep under the image quality option. Now click on it. After that, you'll see 3 options right here, like enable, touch to mute, and disable. Make sure it's enabled. Solution 2. Check your autofocus mode. Look at the top of your camera body. Here you can see a wheeler. It's called a mode dialer. So turn your mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. The beep often doesn't work in fully automatic modes if the camera decides it's not necessary. Solution 3. Check lens AF/MF switch. Look at the side of your lens. There should be a switch labeled AF/MF. Make sure this is set to AF. If it's set to MF, the camera won't attempt to autofocus, and therefore it won't beep. That's a wrap. I hope your issue is all sorted. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care. Goodbye for now.